Hi, and welcome back to Jamaica Homes. Today we are touring the Waves, which is based in Tower Isles, which is in St. Mary, and we're checking out this 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. Let's go take a tour. So if you would like further information about this apartment, please check out the details in the description box below. Please go ahead and make contact about further viewing to making this your next home or investment property. Until next time, stay blessed.